This is Ebony. She definitely is a playful puppy. Very confident, very action-packed, aren't you? But then she does calm down pretty good. You can see this when she gets affection. Huh. Ebony is out of Swift and Bridger. Bridger's a 65-pound male, and Swift is about a 52-pound female. Huh. Boy, she loves affection, and she calms down, and then she gets playful. She loves to play, and she loves affection. There you go, there you go. Huh. Huh. And you want to go right on your belly, don't you? Right on your belly. This is Ebony, born August 22nd. Okay.
Hey. She just sees the ball. Here.
She's not gonna be passive with it.
Okay, Ebony. I wish you'd hold still for a photo, but no.
Okay.
Okay.